Did you know that a tiny seed, often overlooked in the pantry, can make a big difference in your hair health? Yes, we're talking about flax seeds. It's true. Flax seeds are packed with nutrients that your hair loves. These small seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, which are essential for maintaining healthy hair. They can make your hair stronger, shinier, and healthier. Regular consumption of flax seeds can help reduce hair breakage and improve hair elasticity. Flax seeds are easy to add to your diet. They are versatile and can be incorporated into various meals without much effort. You can sprinkle them on your food like salads or oatmeal, or add them to smoothies. This not only enhances the nutritional value of your meals, but also supports your hair health. In this essay, I will share how flax seeds transformed my hair. My journey with flax seeds began a year ago, and the results have been remarkable. I will also tell you how you can add them to your breakfast. From flaxseed yogurt parfaits to flaxseed pancakes, the options are endless. Stay tuned to learn more about the benefits of flax seeds and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Flax seeds are full of good things for your hair. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that can transform your hair health. They have omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting hair growth. These fatty acids nourish the hair follicles, making your hair stronger and less prone to breakage. Flax seeds also have lignans. Lignans are antioxidants that help to protect your hair from environmental damage and oxidative stress. They protect your hair from damage caused by free radicals, keeping it shiny and healthy. Another important nutrient found in flax seeds is protein. Protein is a building block for hair, and consuming enough of it is crucial for hair growth and repair. Hair is made of protein, specifically keratin, which gives it structure and strength. Flax seeds can help your body make more protein, ensuring that your hair has all the nutrients it needs to grow thick and strong. This can help your hair grow faster and stronger, giving you the luscious locks you've always dreamed of. So, consider adding flax seeds to your diet and watch your hair transform. I wasn't always happy with my hair. It was dry, brittle, and slow to grow. Then I started adding flax seeds to my breakfast. I noticed a big difference. My hair felt softer and looked shinier. It even started growing faster. I was amazed by the change. Flax seeds made a big difference in my hair health. Section 4. Easy ways to add flax seeds to your breakfast. Adding flax seeds to your breakfast is easy. You can sprinkle them on your cereal or oatmeal. You can also add them to smoothies. Another way is to mix them with yogurt. Find what you like best. There are many delicious ways to enjoy flax seeds. Section 5. A simple tip for maximum benefits. Here's a tip. Grind your flax seeds before eating them. This helps your body absorb more nutrients. You can buy pre-ground flax seeds or grind them yourself. A coffee grinder works well. Store ground flax seeds in the refrigerator to keep them fresh. Section 6. Ready for your own flaxseed transformation. Flax seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with nutrients that can make a big difference in your daily routine. Adding flax seeds to my breakfast transformed my hair. The omega-3 fatty acids and lignans in flax seeds are known to promote hair health and shine. It can transform yours too. Imagine waking up to stronger, shinier hair every day. Try adding a tablespoon of flax seeds to your breakfast every day. Whether it's in your oatmeal, smoothie, or yogurt, it's an easy and delicious way to boost your nutrition. You might be surprised by the results. Not only can flax seeds improve your hair, but they can also support your overall health. Remember to be patient and consistent. Good things take time. Mark your progress on a calendar and stay committed to your new routine. What are your favorite ways to enjoy flax seeds? There are so many creative recipes to explore, from flaxseed muffins to energy bars. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about your flaxseed journey.